Hey everyone, we're back with another easy recipe. Today we'll be making gluten-free protein pancakes, and let's go! And make sure to stick around to the end of this video for some tips on which type of protein you can use. So for this recipe, you can try to use your favorite animal or plant-based protein. Try your favorite flavor. If you don't like the taste of it, just try vanilla. It's pretty simple. We used cocoa Pebbles Dymatize protein here, and we're about to dig in. So make sure to subscribe to this video if you'd like more recipes like this, fitness tips, lifestyle tips, or pain relief tips. And we'll see you guys in the next video.